Well, I went to get my jigsaw out of my dock box today, and my padlock wouldn't open. And so the key would turn, but it wouldn't pop open. So I went ahead and got some WD-40 and sprayed it inside the lock, and it still wouldn't open up. So I sprayed in where the key slot is, and I also sprayed WD-40 in the upper part here. Still couldn't get it to open up. So then I had no choice. I had to pop the rivets on the latch to get the box open. And once I popped the rivets and removed the lock and the latch, I tried the lock again with the key and it popped right open. So, typical. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and re-rivet the latch back together. So I got my pop riveter here, 2 rivets, and 2 of these little washer things that go on there. I don't know if I'm going to need them or use them. This hole's a little big, so I may need it. This may not hold. Yeah, I'm probably going to need that. So I'm going to have to put those on there and rivet it in. So this goes up inside like that, and then I just put the rivets down in here like this and through these holes, and then put the little washer thingy on the back side of this. Actually, I don't need the washer because these rivets fit in here tight, so this stainless steel bracket's going to work the same. So this squishes out when you rivet it. So okay, so it's real simple. Just put the rivet into the gun until it's all the way in. Make sure that the rivet's all the way down inside and it's tight up against the gun, and then you just squeeze the handle, and it takes a couple squeezes usually. It takes quite a lot of pressure, and it should pop when it's done and break the shank off. Okay, I'm not gonna go any farther than that right now because I want to make sure that this latch is gonna line up. Oh, wow, that's tight. That is really tight. Okay. Wow, that's so tight I can't move it. I'm gonna have to get my vice grips. And yeah, maybe I can just get this clamp. I'll put this clamp on there. My latch is crooked, and that rivet is on there really tight. I can go get my pliers or my vice grips, my vice grips. But I'm just going to use this. I think this will work. Man, it's tight. Almost there. This way. There we go. Oh, that's good. Let's see if that's going to line up. Okay. Well, looks like I went the wrong way. I'm going to have to bend that. That's okay. I'm just going to go ahead and rivet it in. And then I can bend it when I get it in. Okay, I shouldn't have tightened this rivet down so tight. The holes aren't lining up, so let's see if I can just move it over with my, it's all here, it's pointy. Yeah, that way I can get the rivet down in there. There it goes. Okay, now I'm going to double check and see. Yeah, I just need to bend that over. So I'll have to bend over the latch, the little flat bar part over once I get this riveted in. Just like that, it breaks off, and then this piece comes out the back, and the shank breaks off. So that's how that works. Just like that. It's all fixed. Now I just got to bend this tab over. Bend that over a little bit. Let's see if that lines up. Yep. And now I'm looking for my jigsaw, and just like cabinets inside a boat, top loading, so that means you got to take everything out, because usually what you're looking for is way in the bottom. I see it. Not too bad. There we go. Let's get my jigsaw. I'm going to do some paneling work inside the boat, so I'm going to need that. And I got my little hammer here. It's going to be hammering in brads to hold the paneling that I put inside the boat. So I'm going to need that. And put the stuff back in. I think I'm going to store my Dremel tool inside the boat in case I have this problem with my latch again. I was able to remove it using a chisel, but these rivets here that I put in are going to be a lot harder to remove, so I can use my Dremel tool if I have to get back in here if my lock freezes up on me again, so I'm going to test my lock again and make sure that it's, I probably should just buy a new one, but I'm going to go ahead and check it and make sure that's working before I lock this back down. So it should go easy because I put WD-40 on it, but WD-40 is not the best thing to use on locks. You really need to use like graphite. There's other stuff you can use probably that's better than graphite, but WD-40, I don't know. Let's see if this pops open now when I turn the key easily. Yeah, so that's good. So I can lock this up now. See how this fits. So it's on good and secure. Yeah, that is definitely on there good. So close it. I have to push on the back here to get this thing to close. There it goes. It's all the way down. And it's locked. Just like that. If you found this helpful or entertaining, please like and subscribe.